Look how much nature there is here. This is an amazing way to connect with nature. To walk, I have about 34 minutes. All I have to do is just keep walking. To my company, there are more people behind me. So it's not an isolated walkway. If you wanted to pee, you would want to be careful. There's some littering here. Hello. Saying hello to folks. There's music coming from some neighbor. It's only 34 minutes more. And my battery is 4%, so I'm not sure if I'll have it the entire time. Hi. But I don't care. I'll find my way around. Oh, it's kind of not the neighbor actually, it's kind of a party area. Let me see. I came to this place. Where somebody is seated. You can see that fella. And there's a duckling resting over there. You see it? It's here to your left hand side in the center, like that. Let's take a walk in Mississauga. I have about 1 hour walk back to where I live, and I decided to turn on my camera so I could show you what it is like walking here. It's a kind of a cloudy day, and we were expecting it to rain, but it did not rain. So we are here with no rain, and that is exactly what should have happened today, because we had a big celebration in the open, and if it had rained, it would have ruined everything. So you could walk into houses, people live in these places, and then these towers and these buildings are all nearby. It has developed so fast in the past, and I'm going past these lights over there, and then I will cross over to the other side and be walking in the forest path. It's just a gentle walk. It's pretty safe to walk here, and there was a dog that I had a little time with. It's amazing. People are friendly. But the only problem this year for us is that it hadn't rained. It hadn't, not the rain actually, the summer hasn't come yet. So we are badly in need of a little bit warmer weather. All we have so far is rain and cold. So today it's about 10-12 degrees, and we try to have a kind of summer weather here. We were waiting for summer weather because we had a terrible winter, couple of storms. So we are looking forward to the summer. Okay, I see my walkway over there. Here there is a crossing. got about 20 minutes before crossing. Okay, so that is that. And then when I walk over there, I think I will find my regular walkway. Until then, up until this point, I used Google Maps. I mean, I didn't have to, but I kind of made sure that I had the battery. I mean, I know my way around because my battery is running out. I don't know what I'm talking about. My mouth is just putting out words. And there is a family walking their dog here. What day is it? Today is Saturday. Okay, so more people coming out, and I have now discovered my normal walkway here. There it is. I enter this way and walk. It says clean up after your pet. That means no dog poop hanging. Coyotes in the area, so watch out for coyotes. That's it. It's serene and beautiful. All the maple trees. The smell of strong smell. Hello. And there you have the walkway with a little creek on the left hand side. It's very quiet here, not so many people. So beautiful, so peaceful. Truly a way to connect with the nature and heal. There is no trash except occasional pieces of stuff in the river, billboards and stuff. More people walking. That's another cyclist. Children playing on their bikes. This is why I did not want to get in a car or on the bus. I really wanted to connect with nature and walk. And that yesterday I spent about 2 hours doing full body workout, like home workout, like push-ups. And I did some workout with my pull-up bar and some with my dumbbells. I did burpees. There is a road going up that way and another going this way, so I'm going to take this one to the left. Look at that, under the bridge. You could go to the road over there or walk under the bridge, and there's a slight rain, like this is called a drizzle. Look at the beauty here. This is built for people to enjoy, and if it rains heavily you can stay here and get some cover. Reminds me of the city of Rovereto where I lived in Italy for a year. It's beautiful. This would have been a perfect bathing place had it not been too cold. For fish it's perfect, but not for us. That couple, they argued over their decision to walk or stay back under the bridge to avoid the drizzle. But these people over here, this couple with their dog, they don't care about the rain. They walk freely. This is amazing. I feel great when I walk. I don't feel great when I take public transportation or somebody's car or drive myself. I stop the video here to get an idea of where I am, and after that I'll come back on video.